I was having an issue with the Helix. It was running almost perfectly fine the other day. It was struggling on cold start, so I was running the battery pretty low, and I keep the battery stored outside since I got the bike a couple weeks ago, so it doesn't hold a great charge, and I needed to jump start it. So I put jumper cables on with a jump pack, and I went to try and start it from pretty low, and it started. It was running weird though. Something was obviously wrong. It was taking a very small amount of throttle to keep it alive from a normal idle, and then any more than that would kill it. So I had to keep it at a very precise spot, and it was running real rough. It sounded almost like it was running out of fuel. And it turns out that by using a jump pack, it was over amperage for the fuel pump, and it was blowing the fuel pump fuse, which is the second on the left. I put a 10 amp in for the time being so I can get it running and charge the battery. The biggest symptom that gives away the fuel pump fuse being the faulty problem is the rear brake is normally the only thing you need for starting, but when your fuse is blown, you'd have to hold the front brake as well and then press the button, and that gave it away. After some research online, found a post on Facebook from about 5 years ago. Anyway, found the problem, getting the battery charged up now, and should run perfectly fine.